basically done. Easy peasy. You can do it in the car, you can do it in a rush. You don't need to be having all that compact blush and brushes and all that. So here I'm basically just removing the excess powder that I used to kind of like chisel out my face. And yeah, so that's about it when it comes to contouring right now, or highlighting. Well, it does both the jobs, so no hassle. So and then next I'm just gonna be going in with that blush, and I'm basically I'm just trying to even it out, because I kind of noticed that I was a bit heavy handed with it, and I'm basically just going over it, making sure that it looks a little bit more airbrushy. So yeah, and then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna be going in with one of my new products, and this one is a Too Faced Diamond Dust highlighter, which has a little bit of a pink pigmentation of pigment. Yeah, so yeah, can you see that? Just, I thought at first it was my highlight, it was my blush, because the first time using this product, but as I continued to apply it, I was like, wow, wait a minute, it's pink. Okay, I can work with it. So I just went ahead and added a bit of it on the tip of my nose, as well as the bridge of my nose, and a little bit of it on my cupid's bow. And then I ended up kind of like questioning, is it not too much pink on my face? I mean, for highlighter, pink is not what I would go for. Probably on the cheek area, but not the rest of my face. So I decided to jump back into the Jefree Artistry palette, and basically I decided to go ahead and use that goldish eyeshadow called Rolls with it, and just a touch of it. It has like a goldish shade to it, and then just apply those on the tip of my nose, just on top of that Too Faced highlighter, and then in the inner corner of my eyes and my cupid's bow, and that was basically it for the highlighter. And then for the lips, I'm going to be going in with the Meet Matte Hughes liquid lipstick from the Balm, I believe the Balm collection, or the Balm, and then this is the collection. I haven't done my research. And then just to help, bring it back, sometimes it's winter, yo guys. I don't always like to wear a matte lipstick unless I'm wearing my face mask, and I ain't going nowhere. Just to gloss it up, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm lip gloss, and this one is actually called Sweet Mouth, and I'm just applying it on top of that liquid lipstick, and voila, it is done. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And until next time, bye bye.